Did you know Netflix has thousands of movies and TV shows that never appear on the homepage? What if there was a hidden way to browse genres that Netflix doesn't normally show? Today, we're exploring Netflix's hidden search codes, simple numeric codes that help you discover categories like classic sci-fi, crime thrillers, anime, documentaries, and much more. These are official category codes used by Netflix to organize its library, and they're completely safe and legal to use. Let's get started. Hidden search codes explain Netflix organizes its content into thousands of genre categories. Instead of only showing recommendations, it assigns a unique numeric code to each category. You can use these codes by entering this address in your browser, www.netflix.com/browse/genre/code. Replace the word code with any Netflix genre number. For example, if you use the action and adventure code, Netflix opens that category directly. Keep in mind that available titles depend on your country, so your results may be different from someone else's. Code 1 Action and Adventure. The code 1365 opens the action and adventure category. Here you'll find action movies, martial arts films, military adventures, and high-energy blockbusters. If you're looking for something exciting to watch, this is one of the best categories to explore. Code 2 Horror Movies. The code 8711 opens the horror movies section. You'll find supernatural horror, psychological thrillers, monster films, zombie stories, and classic horror collections. It's a great shortcut if you're tired of scrolling through random recommendations. Code 3 Documentaries. Use code 6839 for documentaries. This category includes nature documentaries, technology, history, business, science, true crime, and educational content. It's perfect for viewers who enjoy learning something new while being entertained. Code 4 Anime. Anime fans can use code 7424. This category includes action anime, fantasy adventures, sci-fi series, romantic stories, and animated films. Depending on your region, you'll see different titles available in your Netflix library. Code 5 Classic Movies. Try code 31574 for classic movies. You'll discover timeless films from past decades, including classic dramas, westerns, comedies, and award-winning cinema. It's an easy way to explore movies you might never find through the regular homepage. Bonus tip: if one code doesn't have many results, don't worry. Netflix updates its library regularly, and every country has different licensing agreements. That means some categories may contain hundreds of titles in one region, but only a few in another. Trying different codes is the best way to discover hidden collections. Additional 2-minute script, add after the bonus tip, more hidden Netflix codes 450 to 620. Here are a few more useful Netflix codes you can try. Code 6548 takes you to comedy. If you're looking for stand-up specials, romantic comedies, or family-friendly laughs, this category is a great place to start. Next is code 8883, which opens romantic movies. You'll find romantic dramas, romantic comedies, and feel-good love stories. It's perfect for a relaxing movie night. If you enjoy solving mysteries, try code 9994 for mystery movies. This section includes detective stories, suspense films, and crime mysteries that keep you guessing until the very end. Fans of science fiction should check out code 1492. You'll discover futuristic adventures, space exploration, artificial intelligence stories, and exciting sci-fi action films. Finally, use code 783 to browse children and family movies. This category includes animated films, family adventures, educational content, and movies suitable for younger audiences. Tips for finding even more content. The easiest way to use these codes is on a desktop or mobile browser. Simply replace the code at the end of the Netflix genre URL and press enter. If you're signed into your Netflix account, you'll be taken directly to that category. After finding something interesting, you can add it to my list so it's easy to watch later on your TV, phone, or tablet. Remember that Netflix updates its catalog regularly. New movies and shows are added every month, while some titles leave due to licensing agreements. Because of this, checking these categories from time to time can help you discover fresh content you might otherwise miss. Now you know one of the easiest ways to unlock Netflix's hidden categories using official search codes. It's a simple trick that can save time and help you discover movies and series that don't always appear on your homepage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips, hidden features, and useful online tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.